Hello guys, and welcome at today's video where we are going to learn together for each in JavaScript. So let's get right into it. And what is it and what does it do? It calls a function for each element in an array, and we also, by using this function for each and parentheses, we are getting element, which is one item of the array. Like for example, at our case, we have array of apples, bananas, and cherries, and each element is apple or banana and cherry. An index of the element and also the whole array. So let's start with the example. How is it looking? So let's first define a function that we want to call. It's like when I describe what is it, it's called a function. So we first need to create a function. So it's a function, and it could be show fruits for a fruit. Element could be named however we want. In our case, it's a fruit. And let's use the console.log and fruit, because this is a fruit. And as you can see, this is how you define a for each loop. So you use the name of the variable, which is fruits for us, so fruits, and then we use dot for each parentheses and name of the function. So let's save it and let's see what it would do. And as you can see, it shows us all of the three fruits we have in our variable. So now let's go to some advanced case. So to uppercase, and we need here more parameters like the index and array. Awesome. Now we would write array, index and fruit to uppercase, which would to uppercase would put all of the characters to uppercase, and we would like to do it for a whole array and for each specific element at each specific index. So yeah, let's define this function, and again use for each to uppercase and console log fruits, as we are calling the variable, and you can see that it would be changed to uppercase, and there would be an array of an uppercase fruits. Yeah, and as you can see, we have apple, banana, and cherry at the uppercases. So as I told you, it calls a function for each item of the array. So thank you for watching and for learning with me, and I hope you to see you at another video.